Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in Color Og, and this is a Star Wars project. It's called Watch Out, the StormTrooper. One run, set random background, set drone robot to random, then play random sound, add a random character, set random map, then set the robot speed to fast. Okay. Now, the random. Now it's RGG2.
I think the random is the other robot. See? There are actually two randoms.
Yeah. See? You can choose others.
R2-D2 or C3PO.
You can hide them, which you don't know where they are anymore, so it's so confusing. Okay. Now, when get StormTrooper, remove 50 points. Play Alert 4 sound, so it will play an alert sound. You can choose a lot of different more sounds, but I choose alert. Okay, let's see. When does a StormTrooper come? Aha.
Oh, touch the StormTrooper.
See, you heard the sound, and you saw the points, right? Because there's points here.
The weight's negative.
When get all characters, set robot to a normal speed. Okay? So when you get to a character, your robot will go into normal speed. Then when up arrow, when the robot move, if the up arrow is pressed, then move the robot up. And I added this code. If the score is 100, then end game as win. Then play people clapping sound. Then, if the score equal to negative 100, then end game as lose. Play Puffer Pig free sound. Okay. I'll try to get 100 or negative 100 points. Okay, I'm just gonna eat. It's either.
There's no StormTrooper.
Yeah, sometimes there is not much StormTrooper. It's hard to get 100 points. Eek, a StormTrooper.
Please go down. We're surrounded.
Yeah, I can't. It's hard to get those points. But if you press the up arrow and your point is 100 or negative 100, you will end game as win or end games at lose. When get any character, set robot speed to fast, add 10 points, add a random character, and add another random character, then play people clapping sound. Then when down arrow is pressed, the robot go down. Then when left arrow pressed, move the robot left. Then when right arrow is pressed, then move robot right. Okay, let's press run. Eek. Sometimes there is only one character and it is a StormTrooper. You have to get the StormTrooper. Or you can't get any more characters. Which is boring. Very boring. Okay, let's get more usable characters. So the code said any character. But I set a code that said StormTrooper, so it won't do, if you touch a StormTrooper, it won't run these code. And thanks for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.